Welcome, welcome, how do you do? Happy to see you. Welcome, welcome, how do you do? Happy to see you, my friend.
Amen. Reverend Private Udate School late 20. Kakam. Independent Avenue 2. 1 and 2. For the AG Primary School. You will find it. Regional Director, the Regional Director of Education,
CCC, go!
CCC, Gamashie standing on the street. Where is my gun? If I see my gun, I will shoot. It be mine. It be
His Royal Majesty, King Tetteh Nijieno Najian. King Tetteh let's move to the Asaniwa. They had them in it was the principal kingmaker of the Ghana state. They Badeva to my Najian. He is going to be a Abasha. I'm the first day I'm a school. He is going to be a school Asaniwa. We had a true number. Nyama Wabi, Nyama Waba encourage he is wishing them very well at their very first day of school. For them, for the teacher said it is all about the fair. It was in the year and the principal camera. When you were mayor, our first lady mayor of Ghana, when you when Honorable Otiko Jaba, former Minister of Gender, Children and Children Protection, when you were Manyonuka now bloody. When you were Abdabraka, there was small bit of yesterday, school yawa. And when you were Manya Fefe, God, I mean, I'm a Manya Messon, Raman Banana Pine, when you want to know, you're right on.
wo chama gani me ni wo share ni to Tetteh Kwei ichi ejo ga jasechi ni di kunika afa
thing you know what is
Where do I?
yeah but they can say more let me mean
Oh, fine.
Actually, what's a cool Bacho Doctor Foni? Couldn't get in Wale. You are back about Bumi of me. In that Wale. War, take the basket. The back has seen you by Denture. Nika semo ebe na gbe ni decision amount money ye ni dale ni ne wona di dinye o fai pa mo wo ba hani esa ni wo pa ni fai ti wo pa ni fai boni afi ko ni no ni sa ni ni fie ya chon lo ni ti fu ameba ni achon ni ke mo fia mo igbele iwe fia mo igbele iwe mi ko ba oni ama ya blackboard e no e na fe akemo fia no iwo yicho mi ko to ba boni afi ko ni agbemi kadi akabo o ka se no wo ba ye no papa ko papa ni ba ni e habo ke ha o wo se chi ni woni wa yo bi ene won ka o ko ni na nyele agashi wona bi jinye ye no ya ije wasumo ni wo ke o ke fai pa mo hani ko ni na bi o ka mo yin de lo cho ke shi o bo mi te ka no ka chi che fo ni wo ba ni e shi o ni ba pẹ̀lú ní gbogbo lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ní ọkọ̀ kásí ní ìgbà wọ́sẹ̀ kú ọ kẹwàá wọ́n ṣí wọ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀kẹ́ wọ́n na mẹ́ẹ̀ní wọ́n ṣí wọ́sẹ̀ wọ́n ha mẹ́ẹ̀ní àmẹ́bò ní kásẹ̀ mọ̀tòé ní àmẹ́kẹ́tù ní yíwú àjọ ọdún about the values of childhood educational psychology. Childhood educational psychology. What are we doing here? We want them to look at us and for them to take the pride in themselves that they have also started their days of education. And what they see of us is exactly what they will do. What do they see of us? Do they see us as parents, grandparents, who are blessed so much as to attract the whole world? They must see us as influential parents, influential grandparents, to bring them up so that when we are away, they will play the role we are playing today much more better. When we talk about childhood educational psychology, what do we actually mean? Our attitudes, our actions. Technology has taken so much of us even to learn and learn more. Technological issues go further into education and so many other things that do well for our economy and our living. Therefore, my humble appeal to our government, our dear government, our dear president, and all who count themselves as indigenous of Ghana. I'm using the word indigenous of Ghana because we are all one people. What do we do to educate these our grandchildren? What have been the values of technology which we feel today is helping us so much? We may not be doing well, but we can still do well. We may not be doing well, but we can still do well. Let's look at the future of the children. Now, talking about psychology and teaching them, I'm talking about what really values are, which we must provide. Adequate funding of education. Adequate funding of education. Not just talking, yes, we'll do it, yes, I'll do it. Who will do it? All of us here. The government alone cannot do it. We must all help. And we, in tradition, must even help more. Are we ready to give up our lands to build schools, universities for these our grandchildren we are seeing today? And of course, with apologies to everyone, do we have to sell the lands and no place for them in the future? Where are our hospitals? Where are our universities? Think about all of these things. Our road network, which will take our children to schools. These are things that we must think of. So that when I'm far away and you are far away, they're going to remember us. They will say that we did it. King Tetteh, the second, the Gamashie, and the Lord of the Ghana state has very laudable visions. Building of schools, building of universities, training, educating children. This is all that he's looking for, and for which matter we are supporting him. We're supporting him to do what? To ensure that in the future we'll have people to run our economy for us. We'll have people to prepare the agenda of Ghana. I've been telling people that I may not like to come to Ghana again or come to Africa again when I've died then, but I would love to come if we have been able to train these our grandchildren to run the economy, to run our country for us. So to all of us, my humble appeal is that let us know that if we love anybody, we must love these our grandchildren more. Let's think about their future. We are having our future now. What are we doing for our future? Why don't we also help them to grow up like our very good selves? Ghana needs them. Ghana needs them. And let us help Ghana to educate them. Let us help ourselves to educate them. Let us help ourselves to make them people of value in the future. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Language coordinator. Me no one in call. Did you get me KGB basic school fan Greater Accra region. Me drama manage me clan big be a member school. You want me ke aware fair. Ya me ba kwek be and ya me did you happy school school, my first day at school. Wa me ba ha me ni bi ni ji Nestle bi ni wa wa me ni ke ba ha me ke bi ame ni sha me ni wa ni wa ba da ni musia ke de na su education ke ha e wo ni wa hale notice e check okla tomorrow Friday ni wa chele esumo ni ekasumo gbe kan bi e wo e ba ni e ba ba fe ni e fe for wo ke shida wo ke ha eke e be me fe ni ame ke media le hu ni ame na bo ha wo te ni ji richi da Kwei ni wo te ni ji odate lam te suku e wo te Independence Avenue 1 and 2 they can be ame fa ni wo ke mi she ha ame nyeme fe le wo ke no aha e wa le ha e ni bi ni ba fe fe afi
Abane ani ni wo kan no majaja na ye ni ya school ni yete le fe ni amba bo bo ni akewa
ni kan claim ni ji language coordinator masumoni ofe ni ji gan no me ni yo Ghana bie ke me ni yo any yo the whole world ni ji diaspora ya bomodin ni wo wa ni ganwe ma akalaje mi e fante yin ji mi shi mi anyi e ni kasi o ni le inyo mi ofi o ewo nya ha wa ni pe kan bi eni ameyo gasipon no ofi àwọn anya wie gbe no ni wo ba anya wo wa mu ji ku si fi o ni wo ba wu ameni teacher fo e ke fi amenta oni bi ko me ni actually teaching learning materials ewo awa ewo original director ni ji director Stephen Abanfo enaji amadu ni mabi akenya komode ni e wa wo ye makai school say ko me ye ni abese poli akan no ni yo jamela ko e kumu ni iwa ni kasemu ayi wo ba su ni e ba wa ko ni wo ke gamye mu ni ji atatan de mu ye data crack ada Gamashie tema English amanfo ke no ni fita ni wo yen wo che afa ko fe education aba fe
Some children are not in school, right? Yes. Some children are in school. Some people are afraid to come. But you are here. And you are here to learn. When I look at you, I see Ghana. Maybe you'll be the next president. Eh? Or the next footballer. Women can play football. Eh? Or the next doctor. Who wants to be a musician? Who wants to be a teacher? Hey, who wants to be a nurse? Who wants to be a hairdresser? Who wants to be a scientist? Who wants to be a dentist? An engineer? You see, a caterer. Everybody is here. I am so excited to see you. And I want you to learn hard. If somebody says that you are too short, you tell them that they are not perfect. You understand? If somebody is taller than you, they are just taller than you. Do you understand?
Yes.
You are just perfect the way you are. Don't be afraid to come to school. And don't let anybody bully you. The bullies, they are afraid. That's why they bully people. But you have a future. And I want to beg teachers, don't decide who is going to be a doctor or a teacher or whatever. Every child is special. Every child has a talent. Allow them to depict their talents. Because this is Ghana. And they will each have a role to play if you guide them well. You must listen to your teachers and obey them. So that you grow to be somebody. I want you to say, I can do it.
I can do it.
I must do it.
I must do it.
Yes, I can be somebody.
Yes, I can be somebody.
Then you say your name. Remember me. What is your name? So you say, remember me, Caleb.
Remember me, Kalaya.
Aha. Say, put your name there. Remember me. Mention your name. Remember me. Remember me. Remember me. I'm going to be somebody. Say it, I'm going to be somebody.
I'm going to be somebody.
Do you know that rhyme? A lion. A lion
has a tail. He has a big head and a very small wrist. And a very small wrist.
You are all lions. Shall we do it again?
Yes.
Ready?
A lion has a tail. He has a big head and a very small wrist. And a very
Who will be lions for Ghana? Kwei!
Yes.
Kwei!
Yes.
Kwei! Kwei!
Jesus loves you and he loves me. We need to abide by his word. And that will make us grow in the fearless of God. Come on, Emale, Eju, Eba Skumra, Nanelebi man Babeshi, Ofene to Baba Skumra, Ejaho Oba Cassini. Oba Cassini, Bolafeno Domumia Bele, Ne, Only Baba, Shishi, Yet, ne your name. How much can I short the Yemi? Because anyone, oh, well, you're not, oh, yes. Okay, yes, hello, mommy, yes, for mommy.
Hello, mommy.
Yes, for mommy.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, mommy. Yes, by hello.
Amen.
A small, but can be. I can Nikaju o Kasena can train the child the way she should grow. And when he's grown, will not depart from it. A translation, coach us a became Mobay Shemomi, Kekbeken da, a try and say, Hand Mobay Shemo. She about kind, Kake, Benin that what can Jamie no, Mammy no, you'll be no for minute, Juju. Kafene, Oyafe, Otwewa, Obuni. When a war was small and I can be a poor, I wanted. No, I both say Penny Badra, about 2 months, I'm a 12 boy. I get Ghana, no, your name, no, me, I shall have Ghana and more done. A woman, qualified, getting qualified in local failure. Chicken has about 25. I can never train a hand in Maria more. What I fed in yet, get him away a shame on me. Then and then we can grow and be architects, we can be lawyers, we can be nurses, we can be teachers who can stand bold and teach the children the fear of God and let the children be disciplined. They should know their right from their wrong, and then we'll have a beautiful and a strong nation. So I urge all of you, you can do it. Say, I can do it.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I can do it.
And so the more that we all together do the right thing, then we build a better nation. So that is my prayer for you. And I know every morning when you get up, you pray and commit yourself into the hands of God. That God direct my path, lead me through and sow me through. And God will answer your prayers.
Amen.
God bless you.
Amen. Amen.
Ìwọ yẹni kase mo òfin ìka ọ̀tún nù kò ní ọ̀sẹ̀ kú ọ̀ ní ẹ̀kyẹ́wọ̀n gbẹ̀mẹ̀ wùdí ní wọ́n yẹ wọ́n ṣí wọ́sẹ̀ wọ́n hàn ní ẹ̀kúrúbà ìwọ lẹ̀ yẹni kase mo akahwẹ́ kura jọ́mọ̀ afẹ́ nìfẹ́.
Amen.
And if I'll be allowed, of course, I'm being allowed, I want to say this to all of us and to our government. Let's look at these children. Very nice, very handsome children. What aims and objectives do we have for them? I know that, Mr. Government, you are doing very, very well. But we still need more to do. Sometimes it is painful to get out of Accra, to go to some of the villages, and you find classes going on the trees, dilapidated buildings. This is not what we mean for our children. So my humble appeal, not only to the government, but to all of us, is that we must help. We must help. I said somewhere before that the government alone cannot do it. We all make the government. So why do we, some people continue saying that this is government's job, this is government's job? Who is the government? Who actually makes the government? We make the government. And so we must help the government. In fact, there's no more time to waste on the education of these our children. And this reminds me of one thing. I'm taking you to Shakespeare. And he says something that we must stop wasting our time. And I quote what Brutus said. And he said that there is a tide in the affairs of men, which, taken at the floods, leads on to fortune. Omitted, all the voice of our lives is bound in shadows and in mysteries. On such a full sea are we now afloat, and we must say the current when it serves, or lose our vengeance. On such a full sea are we now afloat. Which is the sea? The education, the idea to educate our children, our grandchildren. We must take advantage of the tide that has been set. Take advantage of the improvement of our economy to train them. Now, if we're not able to do that, then we have wasted their future and will be held wanting. Ghana is for all of us. Let's help the government, let's help ourselves, and let's help our children. God bless us all.
Thank you. For my chair, here too, the care is money in the no, near Kwakasini. Well, my name for Play is everything, but I'm a Jackie. None of me, I can use to me and get Cassini to buy. Maybe a coffee. You want me to call me my chair?
Oh, get that place, you know, the affair. One be Jamawa, one be Yamawa. What if I know what my family was? I can pay for I got it. Well, wherever you want to go. The way you want to go, if I know after that, so I know my number.